this is Michael Wooler here. This is a good old gas stroker. Been running this car since '99 is when I bought it. ECU's Holtec, running the new Precision 8691. I was originally running the 8884 last 2 years, and I was very skeptical about trying to go to an 8691. I was worried about the size of the turbo being 7 millimeters bigger. They kept telling me, try it, you know, it's latest, greatest technology, so I put it on there. And first time out with the car, I immediately put nitrous on and each gear change for the spool up, just because I expected it to be very lazy. And I was very shocked. The car literally got out of shape a little bit on each gear change because the power came on so fast. Doing two-step tests with it, I knew it was kind of promising because without really changing anything, the thing still spooled up on the two-step in less than a second. I was very promised with that. Right now, the most I've pushed it to is 85 pounds of boost, and I've only seen 105 shaft speed, and back pressure still at 75, so it's still got a good bit of headroom on it, and it's making more power per boost than I had before. I ran the 730 here at World Cup, which is a personal best for me. Not my best 60 foot, and no nitrous, so it's really a promising turbo. I'm in love with it. So.
What was the mile an hour?
202, which is also, I've made a personal best ET and personal best mile per hour.
Have you been 200 before?
I've been 201.88 on an old FP Garrett style turbo, but that was with all the nitrous in all the gears. I mean, the goal is right now I want to go rounds, get some more feedback for you guys. So we're trying to have somewhat of a smart strategy. I haven't been throwing the kitchen sink at it each pass, just turning it up a little bit, like adding 5 pounds here, 10 pounds there. And so far it's worked great. My first test pass was a 790, second test pass was a 750, and then Q1 it went to 730. So I got about another 5 to 10 pounds in third and fourth. I put about 5 more in fourth and another 10, so hopefully third is about the same as fourth. So I'm hoping to, get through this round and maybe get another PB. 720 would be nice, but I've already hit a PB, so everything past here is gravy. I just want to go rounds and do good for precision.